Hey everyone, in this video I will be talking about the top or best 3 VoIP services that you could get for small businesses. So like I said, it's going to be more focused for small businesses. If you're just starting out and you're wondering which VoIP platform or service you should go for, I think this video should uh, open your eyes a little bit to a few of my picks. So VoIP services, for those who do not know, VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, and basically, in simple terms, it allows you to make and receive telephone calls over the internet. Now, there are going to be obviously more to it. It's not just that. Like these services, 8x8, Ring Central, and Vonage, they also offer you a lot more than just receiving and making calls, obviously, which I will actually start by showing you around these um, services and platforms, and then at the end, maybe you will end up choosing which one of these three you will be picking and choosing and using for your small business. So, if you go to 8x8, we can see from the home screen, it's communications for the customer obsessed, your contact center and communication solutions to keep customers happy, agents engaged, and employees connected. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, it will show us more about what 8x8 has to offer. You can have contact center, which will deliver exceptional customer experience and keep agents engaged. All the essentials you need to easily power your contact center. So you can have contact center. I will talk about the pricing later on for each one, and you will see for yourself. And you have the most, I would say, most important one here, which is the main topic of discussion: the unified communications. Uh, so it's the description here is connect every employee from the front desk to the back office with the highest service, reliability, and quality in one single app. So this is what you will be looking for. And again, we will check more to it later on. And then we have communication APIs, and that's like SMS, voice, chat apps, and video APIs. And we've got also integrations. If we go ahead and learn more about unified communications, we will see uh, some of the things that it will give us, like business phone, video meetings, team chat, work app, front desk, conversation IQ, and all of those things like admin console. And then you can just learn more about here. So if we click on Y8X8, 868 transforming the future of business communications by integrating voice, video, chat, contact center, and enterprise class API solutions into one global, secure, reliable cloud communications platform. And this is one of the uh, more high platforms in terms of reviews and ratings. It's very well known and very much used a lot and loved by many people, really. It does tell you here that it's completely secure. 8x8 protects your business using the highest levels of data security, privacy, and compliance. And then it has one platform with business phone, video conferencing, chat. Like we told you, it's just in one platform, which is great. And I also have more to say about it. But if we go ahead and check on the pricing, you will find all of these things that we can talk about later on. Next one is going to be Ring Central. With the Ring Central, we have it's also one of the most some even rank it as the number one best VoIP services for small businesses, but I'm not here to rank these three. I'm just telling you that all of them are really excellent, and I'm just showing you around in hopes that at the end of this video, you might have more insight to which platform you would be going for. but all of them are very excellent. And I'm telling you right now, a lot of people say Ring Central is the best. So it says here some things like unlock and see insights and stuff. And then if we go down here a little bit, it will show you the things that you can have: empower teams, optimize workflows, anticipate opportunities, and then we can get to the actual features. If we just go ahead and go to the main page, it will show us some of the features. If I just find the page that I am looking for, phone and message, for example. As you can see, when I go to products, you can see a lot of stuff that you can have, like video meetings, rooms, cloud faxing, video meetings, again, enhanced business SMS. You've got a lot, really. So the phone systems that helps teams achieve more, uh, like this one communication platform to do your best work. Here they will showcase the things that you can do for the phone, the power of enterprise communication now in your pocket. You can do the messaging for you and your team, video calling, and you also get to have analytics, which is great. If we just close out of this, nope, thanks, Jessica. Anyways, if we go phone and learn more, here it should say more to us. So much more than a business phone system. Meet the business phone of the future, set up in minutes and never drop a call again. So it shows you some of the features here, like call, fax, or chat in one app. Easy for everyone. The easiest phone system you'll ever set up. That's a bold claim, but again, a lot of people say that it's the best, so you shouldn't really be surprised. Use the app on your mobile, desktop, or desk phone, which is great. This way, you don't really need to um, you don't really need to access your desktop in order to actually use Ring Central. Embed a soft phone everywhere and work your way by running your business with the way you live. Enjoy a complete business phone service from anywhere. And there's a lot more to it. And then we also got the pricing, of course, which I also will be talking about very soon. But now, lastly, let's talk about. Okay, Jessica, you need to really relax. Let's talk about Vonage. So, for Vonage, it's also one of the top. This is why I have these three. These three are very excellent, like I keep saying over and over again, because I just want to remind you that whichever one that you pick after this video, it doesn't really matter because you will be in safe hands. You will find that any of these three to be excellent. So it shows you a little bit more of what they do, like communication APIs, reach and engage customers across messaging, voice, video, and more. Unified communications, unified global businesses, communications and channels to work better together, obviously. Also, contact centers here, just like 8x8, and conversational commerce. If you keep scrolling down, you will just see stuff like some of their accomplishments and stuff. If we go to solutions or products, I mean, you can find a lot of stuff that you can do within Vonage. It's really jam packed, full of features. So you can't really go wrong. Now, also, the pricing here is going to be right here if we're going to check it out. And again, we will be talking about this in a second. But I have the note here. This note is going to include some key points to compare them to each other. It's not necessarily going to be the main reason you decide, but it should give you some sort of idea. So, for example, the pricing first. For Ring Central, we've got the core plan, which is going to be $20 per user per month if paid annually. If we go Ring Central here, well, here's the core plan is going to be $20 per user per month, and that's if paid annually. and you can try it for free. And you have these things. You get unlimited domestic calling, SMS, and MMS, IVR, Google, Microsoft apps, and access to APIs, and analytics for IT administrator. And then we have the advanced plan, which apparently is the most popular, which is going to be $25 per user per month, obviously annually. And then you get everything in plus and these as well. And we've got the Ultra, which is going to be $35 per user per month. And it has everything in plus, which is going to be more focused for uh, higher end businesses. I did say that these three are going to be focused on smaller businesses, but they they also can go to like medium sized businesses as well. And like really, if you just read through, like for example, for the Ultra, you get things like unlimited file sharing. Now that's very very compelling, and also unlimited storage for files and recordings. Unlimited storage is crazy. So you may want to opt in for this depending on your state of business. If we go next up in the notepad, I think it's 8x8. If we just see here, yes, offers 5 plans with different features. Just check for the website, and if we go to check the website, we will find this. Um, we've got the X2, X4, X6, X7, and X8, and we don't really get prices. We just go ahead and talk to the people there, and it's going to be you will talk to them, you will tell them more about your company or business, how many people are working there, and they will give you a fair price depending on which plan, obviously. I think it's going to be per user per month, obviously, or something like that. Now, for the X2, you will get unlimited users, but then unlimited voice calling to 14 countries. Now, this could be a game changer. So, if you see your country in here, you should be good to go. But if you don't, you may need to, like right off the bat, upgrade to X4, which has more countries, which is 48 countries. And again, you may also not find your country in here. So that could be one of the downfalls for 8x8. So if you don't find your country here, you may want to opt in for a different VoIP service. But most likely it's going to be in here, and then you just compare the other or the rest of the features and move on. Same goes for X6. It's going to have everything in X4, obviously, and these other two features, skill-based routing and reporting and analytics. Apparently, analytics is not going to be in the previous two. And then X7, just more features like co-browsing and omni-channel support. And X8 has quality management and speech and text analytics. Now, the last one is going to be Vonage. If we just go ahead and find Vonage. So Vonage business plans, it has the mobile plan, which price depends on number of employees. It includes, or the highlights are going to be unlimited domestic calling, SMS, and MMS, just like Ring Central, and supports desktop and mobile apps, which is great. For the premium plan, price also depends, and it includes everything in the previous plan, and also analytics, unlimited video meetings, up to 200 participants, and supports VoIP desk phones. And then for the last plan, which is going to be advanced, again, the price is just going to depend on your kind of business. You need to contact them and they will set a price for you, and includes everything in premium plan and on-demand call recording for 15 hours per month though, and call group and voicemail transcription. Now, let's just talk about the features that I have written here and call it a day, because at the end of the day, even after I assess the features in here, you would still have to give some time to research and dive into more detail about each program or platform, and just make sure that you know what you're getting into, and it's going to depend on your business really. I will talk about that later after I just finish off the features. So Ring Central, just like all others, will have all-in-one communication platform offering voice, video, messaging, and conferencing. I can't speak today. It has integration with popular business apps like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, like we read before. Mobile and desktop applications for flexibility in remote work, which is nice. You can just get the app for mobile and start using it. And then we have auto receptionist and advanced call management features, and suitable for both small and growing businesses. So these are some of the key features for Ring Central. Again, Ring Central is claimed by many to be the best one. I'm not personally going to say that. I'm just going to say it's in my top three, as you can see, but I'm not going to rank them for lack of experience, to be honest, and lack of knowledge about all three. And I just can't compare all of them and everything and give you my final verdict about it personally. But a lot of people say Ring Central is the best, and all I can say is it is one of the best, 100%. These three are one of the best platforms out there. That's what I can say for uncertainty. But I can't really rank them from top to bottom. So 8x8, VoIP, video conferencing, team messaging, contact center solutions, which I think Ring Central lacks the contact center. It has integration with CRM systems and other business applications, just like the previous one. Analytics and reporting tools for call performance tracking. We've got virtual office capabilities for remote work and tailored for small to medium sized businesses. And lastly, we're just going to talk about Vonage, which is a cloud based VoIP phone system with features like virtual receptionist and voicemail to email, which is nice. Unified communications with messaging and conferencing, integration with popular business applications, just like the previous ones, mobile and desktop applications for on the go communication, and then it's suitable for small and growing businesses. Now, I think you have caught on that a lot of them have similar features here. So, not really unique to each other. That's because all of them are very great. That's what I've been trying to say. Like if you go for one of them, that doesn't at all mean that you are going to have a bad choice. Whichever one you go from the three is going to be a great choice. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is, like I have here, you will need to evaluate the number of users is going to be a factor, desired features. So maybe there's like one or two features that are, for example, in Vonage that are not in the rest, and that will sway you to use Vonage more. Or maybe integration needs. Maybe there's an integration that is missing from another platform that you are actually using, and budget, obviously. And like I said, for 8x8, the country, if the countries is not compatible with where you are, that's going to be also a factor of deciding which one to go for. So you will need to dive deeper into those three excellent VoIP services and check which one suits your business needs. But they're all tailored for small and growing businesses. So if you're starting out, these are going to be for you, and they're excellent platforms to start using. I hope this video helps you, and yeah, there's nothing else to say here. Thanks for watching.